my personal strategy would have been like, I first do the 10 questions that I feel are very good from the paper. There's some questions which you see and you know, okay, I can solve this question. So I would definitely attempt those questions, and I will try to find 10 or 12 questions like that in the paper which I can solve, which gives me a base score of at least 30-35 in all the sections. तो हमारा बेसिक कट ऑफ तो उससे निकल जाता है. अब आई हैव टू मूव इनटू द 40s. So which questions are there which I can work upon to take my score into the 40s or touch 50, which would like ideal for that. But again, 40-45 is also on the safe side. 40-45 is 99 percentile. तो if we are able to touch that, तो पहला टारगेट है कि भाई 30-30 लाना है. उसके बाद 38, 39, 40, and that's what you'll have to look at. So first 10 questions, errors minimize karna. One myth that you see, you hear your friend saying, I solved the whole paper, I solved the whole verbal section. Abhi pata chala ki unka score aa gaya 20 because they got half of it wrong. Please don't get motivated or demotivated by such people. Solving more is not important, solving correct is important. So even if you are doing 12-14 good questions, you are safe at least, and then try to maximize as much as you can. So that's what my strategy would have been.